Nolans.
Nolans, French Quarter.
Right?
Got
Rode the bike down.
player.
About to have a good time tonight.
Beautiful sun.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers. He is. Friday night. Got my back on this one. So that's the entrance. We're on the inside-outside part of Pat O'Brien's. It's really kind of neat back here. It's like an escape from the city. A little bit of waterfall. We got a little bit of fire over there. Really kind of cool. Cute little bar, cute little gift shop, music, and hurricanes and plastic.
Morning for us.
Early morning.
Early morning for us. Earlier than we're used to.
Right.
Hauling our first show trailer for Clark, headed down into New Orleans, right down on Canal Street to pick up. Well, we're doing a box call. Means we're giving them all the stuff to pack, haul the show up in. Last night was the closing night here in New Orleans. So Hamilton is over here, and it's going to be in Charleston, South Carolina. So we're going down there to deliver all the boxes to them so they can load it up. We'll be back tonight.
Pick up the trailer and take it on out.
Yep.
It's an early morning.
First load.
Got up. There it is. They call it Sin City.
Mardi Gras.
Mardi Gras. You knew that was coming, right? You gotta stop and let these out.
Canal Street.
See what was going on.
Here we are. Here, first thing, box call. Empty out the trailers with all the boxes and goods that they pack up the shows with. And tonight, after their last performance, they will pack those boxes up. We'll come back this evening and get those boxes preloaded to take the show to South Carolina. Trolley car coming up to Canal Street. Just a Sunday morning, kind of quiet. Theater. So they're unloading, all these are empty, they're unloading them, and they're getting them staged up. You can see all the other stuff. They're just rolling them in. Tonight after the show, they will reload them. We'll come back with the trailer and then they'll pack it on the trailer. Okay, when you overload a trailer, I wish I could have got pictures of this in the morning because it was daylight out, but this is what happens when you put too much dirt in a trailer. Trying to close the sides out. See? Here we are, coming back with our second trailer. Coming in and get staged up over here on the right in the bus lane. The theater's over past those trees on the other side of the street. There's a couple trucks already there. Set up. We parked one earlier and now we're gonna park this. Okay, what you got there?
Well, show just let out, and just as it were, we're parked right here in right outside the door.
One outside one of the
the
exits.
Saenger Theatre.
Yep, they've got exits on both sides of the building and then one on the front. But it was it's kind of funny that we are.
I'm glad we look good.
Glad we washed the truck.
Yeah.
No, it's fun just watching all the people coming out. So, just like that.
Closed up.
Closing it up. About
Yep.
20 minutes. Oh, they're still mingling out on the sidewalk, visiting
they
and
still
talking.
have the doors open. They just close the
But
doors.
they just
so
discourage
Yep.
re-entry. Here we are. Welcome, New Orleans downtown. Here at the theater, waiting to get loaded. Working on it hard over here. We got to see inside the stage earlier. Holy smoke-a-rollies, for them to break this down over the next 8 hours is just absolutely incredibly crazy. Because it's just an amazing sight to see on the inside. It's really, really awesome. If you have the opportunity to go see Hamilton, I wouldn't pass it up. There's the front. Downtown. It's about 10:30, quarter to 11. We're just waiting in line, our turn to get loaded out. Here in the corner canal is this like little makeshift stage. I don't know if you all know what it is or what it was used for back in the day, because it doesn't look like it's been used for quite some time. And it's pretty cool looking. We have a little ramp going up. It's a little stage. Some pieces are missing. Bowls, little seats. Hard to say. If you know what it is, let us know. Comment below.